Oh, hey, what's up? I thought I saw a bear, but I think it was just a stick or something. Anyways, this is Earl, guys. Today we're making some teriyaki chicken, okay? It's gonna be very different from anything you've ever had, because guess what? It's homemade. Homemade teriyaki chicken, guys. It's my specialty, okay? Now we're gonna get into it real quick, okay? There's dragonflies all over the place. I am a dragon, and there's dragonflies. There's one right there. Where'd he go? Dragon? It don't matter, don't matter. Let's get into this. Steven cut the lawn. He did a really bad job, and there's a bunch of crap over there that we gotta pick up still, because he's been lazy. Hey, I know I keep saying let's get into this, but I wanna show you guys something. This tree behind me is massive, right here. So it goes up like this, guys, okay? Up, freaking way up, really high. And then it comes over here and goes right over to Steven's bedroom. He sleeps right in that window, guys, okay? Now what I'm hoping is this tree falls and crushes him. Now, spare Trish, she's bearable. It's his wife, but doggone, that dog's ruining my clip, man. Forget it. Let's go on inside. Let's see what Trish is doing. And then we'll start cooking. Hey, Trish. Hey, Trish. What are you doing right now? Dang it, it's on cinematic. She's blurred out. Hang on a second. There we go. Hey, Trish. I'm filming you right now. What's the matter, man? Come on, doggone. What's up? Okay, guys, this recipe here is real simple. All right, ginger root. We're gonna peel that like a potato, guys, and then we're gonna use it. Or I'll show you. Some garlic here, which we're gonna have to use the other garlic because Trish's stomach. Worcestershire, which is my own little take to the recipe. Some soy sauce, brown sugar, guys, and some freaking chicken. Wrong burner, man. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, we turn the burner on right now. We're gonna put the Worcestershire in there. Well, shake it up. Okay, always shake it up, man. All right, here we go. Putting most of this in there. Okay, and then your soy sauce. Doggone. Lots of soy, guys. Most of this too. Come on, man. Doggone. This might take a second. Now this here recipe is real simple, guys, okay? Doggone. Alright, once you feel like you have enough soy, which we don't yet, we're just gonna keep going. It is what it is. I mean, it takes a while, I guess. Come on, man. Doggone. Take the whole bottle. Let's just go with it. So about, in the Worcestershire, I left like maybe this much in there. I took the whole bottle of soy right there. Okay? Come on over here, guys. Okay? So what I did was I peeled the ginger root like a tater, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it real thin, guys. Okay? And put this in the soy and Worcestershire Whosyoursister sauce. Can't have real garlic in this house, unfortunately. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna just put some of that in there. It's just a powder. But what you need to do is you guys need to take your garlic here, okay? And slice it real thin like you would with the ginger root. All right, guys? Everyone else sucks. So we're coming back over here. And we got this here brown sugar, guys. And we're gonna go like this. A nice like quarter cup or so, maybe even more, but. So we're gonna mix all this together like this. Okay? All right, now that's nice. So just mix it up. When this comes to a boil, guys, you're gonna wanna take it off and just set it aside to cool. Because what we're gonna do from here, guys, is we're gonna blend it. Blending is my specialty. I'm an expert blender. It's what I do. Okay, it's starting to boil. Starting to boil over, maybe? Oh gosh. Nope, not boiling over. We gotta turn that sucker down, man. I want it to boil for like a few minutes, you know, like just a nice rolling, as they would say in the South, bowl, rolling bowl. Or as Trish would say, oil instead of oil, which is freaking weird, but it's what she says. So I'm just gonna go half-seas on the stove because it's too hot. So nice little southern trick right there, guys. If you ain't from the South, you probably didn't know that, did you? One thing I'm gonna do too, guys, a little bit of orange juice, actually. The citrus will help with the some of the garlic I put in there. Get that to a nice boil, guys, okay? And then we'll go from there. Well, then we're gonna start blending after this cools, so you can stick it in the freezer even for a little bit if you need to. Okay, guys, while that sauce is cooling off, I did put too much garlic in it, so, because it's the powder stuff, I wasn't sure. You know, normally like a couple cloves might be good enough, you know? Sorry. I'm gonna come over here and check for some spiders real quick. I'm scared to death. Now, I have not walked past this barrier for a while because there may be some spiders, so, oh, God bless it. Oh, shoot. Trish wants me to go in there and put stuff in there. I'm like, are you nuts? Are you freaking nuts? Because there's spiders all over the place in here. You're crazy. Are you freaking crazy right now? And so, yeah, guess what? She is freaking nuts. Maybe he's killing them. Hey, what's up, buddy? We are best friends. Please kill all the spiders, please. Will you please kill them all? Because I'm terrified right now. Hey, man. Now, dare I even open the shed? I'm freaking scared to death. Oh no, there's a spider right there. Hang on. He just crawled right there. I'm done. I mean, I'm not scared or nothing. Oh, shoot. I'm not scared. I just don't like them, okay? No spiders around here. And if there was, guess what would happen? I would kill him. I thought I saw a bear. It was my shadow. It really did look like a bear. Let's check this out. Okay, guys. Now the next step here is to blend. So we got our blender out. Okay. We're gonna take the sauce. It is pretty hot still, so we gotta be careful. All right. We're gonna dump it all in here like this. Oh wait, like this. Well, you don't have to see that. All I did was dump it. You know. We're gonna blend. So once that's blended, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna, okay, that's nice. All right, dump it back in the pan. This is your teriyaki sauce right here. Very simple. Now the original recipe, guys, the original recipe just calls for the soy sauce, okay? Then the ginger root and the garlic, okay? And then brown sugar, that's it. But I add the Whosyoursister sauce to it because I think it's really good. And then sometimes I do like a pineapple juice. Today I'm doing orange juice, okay? Now this here is a nice knife for using on meats, guys, okay? It is a Gordon Ramsay knife. And I'm gonna show you guys how to sharpen a knife right now. Like this. All the experts will understand. All the experts will understand, guys. That's it right there. Steven to go. Okay. Now Steven bought these gloves for cooking because he noticed that all of the popular cooking people use them, like the barbecue guys. Look at this hand. Doggone. Look at that. Anyways, he wanted to look like a professional, so this is for handling stuff. Now, I particularly don't wash my meat because that's dumb. All you're doing is spreading bacteria all over your sink, okay? So the only thing that you need to do, cut it up, man. And then when you cook it, all of the bacteria dies anyways when you're cooking it. So with a chicken like this, what I'm doing is I'm cutting the breast in half, okay? And then you just cut it in little chunks like this. Not too big, or I mean not too small, guys, because if you cut them in too small chunks, it'll shrink as it cooks, and then you end up with dry pieces of chicken. It may be really good, you know, flavorful chicken. Like this might end up being a little small, but it's okay because you're gonna get small ones, big ones. If you see lots of fat, chop that off because nobody wants to eat that, especially on chicken. Now, fat on some red meats is fine, guys. Okay, like steak especially, but marbling is what you look for on steak. A nice good piece of steak. Now, people on Discord, they don't understand. Steak is better than burgers. Let me know in the comments, guys, what's better, a nice steak or a wonderful burger? Let me know. All right, guys, so I got the chicken cut up. There is the marinade in there, the teriyaki sauce. It's gonna sit in here for, you know, an hour or so. If you wanna do overnight, that would be better, maybe 4 hours, but for time's sake today, I'm doing an hour, because I am, all right? Don't ask me questions. I'm doing it for an hour. And then I got the rest here to the side. I'm gonna use that for basting, and then even, I need to blend this better, doggone. And then, you know, for dipping or whatnot later. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to properly season a grill, okay? Okay, what I did was I went out and got this stuff, guys, okay? Now, I got a Blackstone. The Blackstone stuff here works great. You can use bacon grease. Do not ever use vegetable oil to season a pan. A cast iron or a Blackstone grill, a flat top. Don't use frickin', what are you, an amateur right now? Doggone, idiot. Never use vegetable oil, okay? Olive oil might be fine. Grapeseed oil burns, you know, you want to get an oil that burns hot. That can run hot without burning, is what I'm trying to say. But, you know, so what I'm doing here, I'm getting this really freaking hot, guys. I don't use water, okay? That's for pansies. So what we're gonna do, spoon here, and just cover that. I'm gonna take a paper towel, guys. And I'm just gonna kind of roll it around like this, okay? Now be careful, I don't want to push too hard, because if I do, I could burn my doggone hand. And we all know how that goes. I don't want to burn my hand. That's gonna burn real hot, guys. And you're gonna start seeing it like steam up real good. Could take like a half hour, you know what I mean? So you could just take a nap or something while that's doing that. And then when you wake up, hopefully in a half hour, you got a nice, good Blackstone, clean, good to use Blackstone top grill, okay? If you don't wake up in an hour, then chances are you're dead because you burned your house down. So you don't want to do that either, all right, guys? Okay, now here's the thing, guys. She's starting to steam up. You can't see it, hang on a second. See? See how she's starting to steam up real good, guys? Steven said don't touch his car. But I'm gonna sit down in it. I just took a nap. I woke up to this. Oh, that's beautiful. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so I'm making these green beans too. I just cut the ends off, washed them up real good, and I've got some applewood seasoning and some mesquite seasoning on there, and some. You could put garlic in there. That would be very tasty. And then some olive oil and some butter. I'm gonna throw that on the grill when we're ready, guys. We're gonna take the chicken, guys, and we're just gonna dump it. Okay? Like that. Now, because of that brown sugar in there, guys, you gotta be careful because it can burn real quick. So I got the stuff underneath that thing right there. And so we're gonna just, hang on, this is really hard to film like this. Oh, this is so much better, why didn't I think of this? So yeah, the brown sugar, it can burn real quick. You can see it here, guys. Kind of already starting to burn. So high heat, but you don't wanna, you don't wanna leave it alone too long, okay? You wanna keep mixing. I got this sucker on here because we don't wanna lose moisture, all right? Here's the meat. And we're just gonna give her a couple tosses, right? I like to use different spots because I want that sizzle as well. And this chicken will shrink up too, guys. It will shrink. So, well, let's give it a little bit more sauce, guys, okay? Very, very good to do that. You know, don't be shy with it. You know what I mean? Can you see that? Just sauce her up, man. Now, guys, this meal, it works really good with like a nice white rice, but we've had rice so freaking much, we're probably just gonna have it with the green beans, okay? Or you can have it with potatoes, whatever you want, man, but that's a tipper right there. Have I ever golfed before? No. Okay guys, what we're gonna do now, green beans, on. Okay, that is freaking nice. Just gonna roll them around flat, man. You know what I mean? Oh God. Let's check the chicken, shall we? And you can see it, guys. The coloring is getting better and better. My camera work here sucks. Freaking, I just burned my doggone hand, man. So here is the chicken, guys. It is looking pretty good. And here's my green beans. They are also looking pretty freaking good, man. I know it's all about angles, guys, but I can't. I don't have a good spot for angles, all right? But here we go. Here's an angle for you. How's that one? Here's an angle for you, pal. Here's an angle for you, pal. Here's an angle for you, pal, man. The internal temperature for chicken, guys, is 165 and it's done, all right? Now, what you would want to do is find the thickest piece and check it with that, but with these, I don't go off of temperature. I go off of the way it looks, okay? So I'll pick a thicker piece, pow, like that, right in the kisha. It is done. These are done, guys, so I can actually take them off, but I want to get some color on them. It's at this point I would take the green beans off, but Trish, you know, she don't like them like this, so I'm gonna probably take half off right now and then burn the other half on purpose. Okay guys, I got a lesson for you, okay? Because I've been taking some online karate classes and there's some things I want to teach you guys about how to defend yourself. Now, I've been taking online karate classes for a few years now, probably since 2012, okay? And I am a deadly machine. If I punch somebody with this hand, I will devastate them real bad. I'm about to show you exactly why here in 2 seconds. Now say you got somebody coming after you. What are you gonna do, guys? What are you gonna do? Pow, right there. Pow, right there. You can't even see it. We may even have to slow it down some. Ready? Oh, what? You want my lunch money? We're not in high school anymore. Pow, right there. Oh, you want my lunch money? I don't even have lunch money because I'm not in high school no more. Pow, right there. Bully, piece of crap. And that's pretty much it. Okay, let's check on the green beans, guys, because that's all we're waiting for. All I made today was chicken and green beans. Are they freaking burnt enough yet? Doggone, Trish. Hey. Oh, doggone. Doggone. Come on, man. Oh, freaking shit. Doggone shit, man. Oh, man. Shit. Okay, they're freaking done. I'm done, Trish. I'm freaking done. Let me get something to scoop these piece of craps up. That's all they are now, is piece of craps. They're like freaking burnt. Okay guys, here is my plate. It's a little bare. Normally I have rice with this, but we didn't want rice today. Okay, I'm gonna take my first bite, guys. All right, green beans. Tastes like green beans. I mean, it is good. The mesquite flavor is nice in there. Teriyaki chicken. That's nice, man. That's real good. Why is that getting dark? Doggone. Okay, I'm gonna finish this food now and probably just go take more online karate classes when I'm done. Don't forget to sub and like, guys. Don't forget to sub and like.